folks, how you doing? Earlier today I was in Easton County. Now I'm back in Travis County in Austin area. Over here to south 35, well, it should be east of 35 in South Austin. Over here at Easton Park. Now this place has been around for a couple years now, but it's expanding. They got a new area called Union. The Union. Let me show you around a little bit. So we got about 6 builders out here. We got David Weekly Homes. We got Brookfield Residential. I'm not going to be able to show you all this. I'm shaking, but we got Perry Homes coming up. Miller Morrison. Place Center. Those are the name. A few of the homes that come out here is a new area called the Easton. It is a great jumping place out here. Look at the construction going on. This is hopping. It's a great location. Nice schools out here. Great. You can get out to 35 quickly. You get to downtown easily. Different roads. So I like to show you this place. I'm showing the client tomorrow. We come to Brookfield. Brookfield's got a new subdivision coming up. They're not even cut yet, where you have a rear entrance garage, and then you got your front lawns. So it's going to be a really nice community. You got lakes out here. Pretty much anything you want. They try to make it a community. They want you to come out here, so they have annual events. A lot of different events to get the community out there to visit. So if you want more information, you'd like me to show you this area, call me at 512-655-3680. That's 512-655-3680. Like I said, it's a great place, great location. I'll be happy to help you. You guys have a great day.